Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Apple AirPods with iPhone in case mode, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Apple AirPods with an iPhone, start by ensuring your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Open the lid of your AirPods charging case. Keep the AirPods inside the case while you do this. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. You can check this in the Settings app under Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth is on, hold the AirPods case close to your iPhone. You should see a pop-up on your iPhone screen that says Connect. Tap on Connect to begin the pairing process. After a moment, you'll see a screen that shows your AirPods are connected. You might be prompted to set up Hey Siri if you haven't done so already. Follow the on-screen instructions if you want to enable this feature. Once connected, you can use your AirPods straight away. To check the battery level, open the case near your iPhone. The battery levels for both the AirPods and the case will display on your iPhone. Close the case when you're done checking. To switch to case mode, place the AirPods back in the charging case. Close the lid securely to ensure they are charging. When you want to use them again, open the case near your iPhone. The connection should reactivate automatically. If not, you can tap the AirPods icon in your Bluetooth settings to reconnect. Now you are all set to enjoy using your AirPods with your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.